So I'm shooting a lot of that content right now. I'm also like objection busting videos. I'm like,
so heading out to Palm Springs, getting ready to do a little video shooting for the up and coming product release. Gonna be hanging out with some of my internet homies like John Crestani. I hear Kelly Felix might be down here as well. Not really sure who's gonna be down here. We're just going with the flow. Gonna see what's happening. I think we're gonna have some helicopters I hear. I know we're going to a nice place. I'm really not sure too much about what's going down at this particular destination. But at the end of the day, I think we're gonna get some good footage. We're gonna do a little bit of interviews potentially, and maybe even a nice vlog. So that is the plan for this trip to California.
I didn't have your number, so I was like, oh shit. Yo, bro, welcome to the casa. You want to see it?
Yeah, let's
okay,
go.
Let me show you. We're just gonna be throwing this at the camera. Yeah, look, I got more. I got more right here. I got the money guns. These two are broken. So we got more. So these are the shooters. So these are the ones that shoot real nice because see they're flat, whereas these are like aged.
Oh, yeah.
These are aged.
Yeah,
like I got them aged so they look more real. But this is the stuff you shoot and it's just like it flies out like that.
Yeah,
so it's nice.
You know, the gun.
I got random stuff. You know, we got a bunch of setup. We're putting up a stand to put the TV on. So we're doing the webinar with the TV in the back. So the slides are good, you know, so I'm gonna be on my computer right where that case is. We're gonna have the TV behind me so the slides are showing up. So we're gonna mount this. We're gonna take these off and we're gonna mount. So it's gonna be pretty sick. I don't know, we're just working away. Look at this, dude, look.
Pretty dope.
Look how this is framed. Yeah. It's sick. So there's a pool, jacuzzi, pool, lake. Models are gonna come out here tomorrow for the shoot. So models. Yeah, I told them like 3 to 5, like girls. But yeah, that's the thing. I'm about to start shooting some videos. Got my whiteboard up. I'm basically shooting funnel videos. Like I'm shooting like here's why you should opt into the webinar. Here's, you know, like thank you for registering. You arrived early. You know, like for people who arrived early. I'm shooting like a little sales page video. Hey, you watched the webinar. So I'm shooting a lot of that content right now. I'm also like objection busting videos. I'm like, hey, you know, I'm gonna advertise them on YouTube or Facebook, like remarket. I once didn't have enough money in my life and I wanted to move to the next level and you know, you're caught in a cycle. I'm gonna start filming for a bit, so I'm gonna be a little bit like, just go.
Just got here to Palm Springs. What is it called? Lago Vista? Lago Vista Ranch. Apparently Katy Perry rented this place out and she paid $100K for a week during Coachella. So pretty cool. We just got here, checking the emails. We're gonna probably dig in and find some places to shoot. The sun's really bright today and it's super hot down here, which is surprising for October because we're in California. You'd expect it to be in the 70s and 80s, but it's definitely in the 90s, maybe even 100 down here. It's super hot. So we're gonna make do. We're gonna probably wait for a little bit of golden hour to catch some good footage with the lighting proper, because right now the sun is so bright it's gonna be hard to get a good shot outside. But the location, awesome. The ranch itself is dope. We got a nice place to stay. We're here for a night. We're gonna get some good footage, and other than that, keep an eye out for what's coming. Just got done doing take 1 for the new and up and coming lead gen affiliate course. Taking a little break, just got done doing some shooting. Did our first commercial for the YouTube, kind of exciting. We're getting ready to do round 2 of the shoot. Then we're gonna go for a nice dinner have some fun tonight. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. We got the helicopter, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
Dude, hardcore shooting, marketing, making money, all that shit all day. Love it.
Late by the pool, got a tan, got some work done. Beautiful day.
Oh man, I finished writing the new Super Affiliate System webinar, Super Affiliate System Pro. Now, so I'm excited, man. We're gonna make some money.
The day was good. Got a little bit of footage to cut. We're going to get some more tomorrow. Getting ready to go eat some food. Day 2, we're getting ready to get started. Beautiful day here in Palm Springs. Gorgeous out, nice weather, no wind. Perfect day for a shoot. Getting ready to get the helicopter coming in a little bit. We got some models. It's going to be a fun day. Let's get started. Show you exactly how I built my internet business from scratch to roughly $2 million a year, and location freedom that I've been seeking for so many years. It's my mission to help others achieve, and very much like you seeing this video right now, what helped me get to the level I'm at was finding the right mentor. So that's a wrap. That was the trip to Palm Springs. Got to spend a day and a half or so with John Crestani and some of his team to really see how it is on the next level of what we're trying to accomplish with the new course, the Lead Gen Affiliate Program. And John's been doing the Super Affiliate System, which is his program, for a number of years now. He's got his offer up on Clickbank, makes a ton of money with it. Obviously, we'd like to get our course to that level. We've now proved the concept to the public with the latest student success story. If you want to check that out, you can go over here and check that out. But overall, we're pretty excited about 2020 and what's upcoming for our educational program. Of course, the affiliate marketing business and all the other businesses I'm involved with. If you like today, go ahead and like this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. We teach you how to make money online. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later.